Welcome back, folks, to another episode of MLM from Ruined to Refreshed. PJ here, and in this episode we're going to be looking at a Dinky Toys Corvette Stingray. It has got the raised lights, there's a little switch underneath. The bonnet also comes up, and we've got opening doors. So what we're going to do with it? Well, we're going to strip it back and we're going to repaint it with a more Corvette kind of colour. And this is the Ford Metropolis Blue. So we're going to give that a go, and we'll probably spray the chassis and give it a chrome finish. So let's get it apart, let's get the tools out and see what we can do with this one. Now catching a few. Cheers. Welcome to the reveal, folks, of our Dinky Toys Corvette Stingray number 221. If you remember, it was all in white with a black chassis. We've given it a new metallic blue top coat and a nice chrome chassis look. We've also retained the black bonnet, which I think looks nice. It sets it off, I think. What else? We touched up the chrome on the wheels, added some highlights to the tail lights, and touched up the engine, gave it a silver look. Come out quite nice, actually. Quite pleased with this one. So there you go. That's another one in the bag. Hope you like it. Give us a thumbs up. Please subscribe. It makes all the difference. We've also got the next DMC challenge coming up in June, which is any farm vehicle. So if you'd like to have a go at that, come and find us at the Diecast and Modelers community on Facebook. We'd be happy to have you join us. It's a great little community we've got going now, and a lot of people taking part in our challenges. So there we go, folks. This is PJ signing off, and I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers.